Check this out. I went for a quick test drive, or a warm-up ride, just down the street and back. Look at the snow in here. I barely made it down the street on my four-wheeler. And I'm going to show you why. This is what's happened here in Ohio in the last, what time is it? 12? In the last like couple hours. Probably like 5 hours. It hasn't stopped. Check this snow out, man. It's deep. My foot.
Hey, you disappeared. Where's my baby? Hey. Can you get up? Oh. Try? Oh my goodness. Daddy, she's stuck. Oh, she's not stuck. There's a ton of snow underneath your feet.
I'm trying to walk. Be like Carly, be like. Trying to be light.
Be light. You can't try to be light.
I'm not crawling inside the snow.
Come on, get down. Let's see. Holy moly. Do it again. Go get Daddy. Go get him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Daddy disappeared, Carly.
Cold.
Oh no, Daddy's glasses.
Blow it off, Carly. Blow it off. Ah. Look at that. Let me get up first.
Have you fallen and you can't get up?
Sorry.
I got hair in my mouth.
Oh, boo-hoo-hoo. I got snow in my ear. We have a towel or a paper towel or something?
Sure. Hi, baby.
Help me get
It's cold.
this out my mouth.
All right, hold on. Stay. Give me a pretty look. Oh, you're gorgeous.